is my dad's 1955 Chevy 210 four-door, known as Miss Iowa. My dad purchased it from the second owner. It was purchased in 2014, and the car had been parked from 1970 until 2013. The original owner of the car stated the kids wrecked it, and that was the reason as to why the car was parked. You'll notice there's some damage on the roof and the fenders that you'll see later on. The car was originally powered by a 265 V8 with a power glide, but we have since changed that. The car now has a 5.3 from a 2006 Chevy truck, running a GT45 68mm turbo, 80-pound injectors, packed valve springs, jegs cam, steel head gaskets, Bosch fuel pump. Bottom end is stock, just has the piston rings opened up. It was tuned using HP tuners at my brother's shop, Leadfoot Customs. The car also has an 8.8 rear end with a 4L80E transmission. Here you can see some of the damage from the accident. We believe the car was rolled. When we got the car, there was no windshield in it, and the roof was pretty well caved in. It took quite a bit of work to get it to where a windshield would fit in it. There's some damage on the fenders. There's some minor damage on the quarter panels and a few other places in the car. The whole roof appeared to be pushed back quite a bit. There was wrinkles near where the roof pillar meets the rear quarters. And like I said, it just took a lot of work to get it back in shape. We didn't get much information as to why the car was parked other than what the original owner stated as far as the kids wrecked it. In the glove box is a little notebook. It says service record for cars. When my dad got this, new plugs, valves adjust, 3,000 miles, and there's just page after page. So 7/2/1965, 2/4/66, change oil, clean manifold, points, new master cylinder, 18,900 miles. And it just goes on. 1968. All the way up until 69. So somewhere around April of 69, had 44,311 miles on it, is when we suspect probably in 1970 or so is when it got rolled. Because it shows 47,000 on it now. So it wasn't too long after that incident. Let's take the 55 for a spin. Thanks for watching Gears and Arms. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.